Hello! In this video, you will learn to avoid mistakes when building your own solar panels. So after the end of it, you will be set up for a stress-free and low-need maintenance of solar panels just by avoiding these mistakes. We'll talk about the glue and seal that I used during the last 10 years for fixed and vacuum seal my solar panels that I've built. During all these years, I tried 10 different brands with different characteristics, and at the end, the result has always been the same. Quick degradation of seal and glue to cover the tab wire on these panels. As you can see here, and I'm showing to you, it's already green because the moisture is getting it in. Very green here also. So, when this degradation occurs, the moisture can enter and degrade tab wire and bus wire and expose this connection that comes with low value of galvanic isolation, which is extremely dangerous, as you can see here. It can lead to high current peaks and short circuits. See it closer. The seal and glue is easily removed by the hands because it's not adhered to the panel. The seal glue is highly deteriorated and it is turned into small grains that smash easily, as you can see here. So, to start the process of removing it, I used the X-Acto or knife and gently removed the old seal and glue. As I'm doing it here, you can see the high level of degradation on that. Just gently remove it in order to not cause any crack in the cells. Here also, as you can see, one of the solutions that I will try is using EVA. I bought this roll of it and I will cut a piece of it. As you can see, it comes in a roll and hopefully it can solve the isolation problem. So after remove all the seal and glue, I will cut a piece of EVA and apply it to the panel. In order to make it, it's necessary a hot air gun. As this one that I'm using it now, it is efficient and ensures a duration. As you can see, just put the EVA on the panel and apply the hot air. Later, I will show how these panels work with this new material. The other solution is to use the Palastocil sealant that can promote also the isolation. Just check my other previous video where you can see the Palastocil being applied to the bus wire. That's it for this video. If you like our videos and want to buy the materials used, order through the links in the video description down below. Support us and read our site at itisonpoint.com. Bye!